salad lovers and health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have 3 refreshing salad recipes for weight loss. Let's get started. Wait! Before starting the salad recipe video, we introduce you with Alpilean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Salad 3. Spinach and Strawberry Salad. For a sweet twist, try our spinach and strawberry salad. It's a delightful combination of greens and fruits. Combine fresh spinach leaves with sliced strawberries, toasted almonds, and a balsamic glaze. This salad is a burst of flavors in every bite. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Salad 2. Quinoa and Vegetable Salad. Next up, we have the quinoa and vegetable salad. Quinoa is a protein-packed grain, and vegetables provide essential nutrients. Toss cooked quinoa with cucumber, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and a light vinaigrette. This salad is both refreshing and filling. Salad 1. Avocado and Chickpea Salad. Our first salad is the Avocado and Chickpea Salad. Avocado adds creamy goodness, and chickpeas provide protein and fiber. Mix them with diced tomatoes, red onions, and a zesty lemon dressing. This salad is a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Ready to shed those extra pounds? Get Alpilean? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video.